I'm Eunice Sanchez-Mata, and I'm here today with Dr. Robert Gillespie, a cardiologist at Sharp Rees-Stealy Medical Center. And as we go into February, which is National Cardiovascular Disease Awareness Month, I think there's lots of topics that you and I can talk about today. First of all, heart healthy diets. I know this is one of your passions, and I'd love to hear more about it.
One of the things we know in terms of decreasing cardiovascular risks is that we want a diet that's rich in vegetables. Find the vegetables that you really enjoy, rich in fruits, and beans. Beans are a very good source of protein. I think many people think that you can't get protein in a more of a plant-based diet. But I think all of the major diets that have shown benefit have at least that basic understanding that you want to be rich in these products.
So a plant-based
approach. That doesn't mean you can't have some meat. That means you can't have dessert on occasion or some alcohol on occasion. But your diet in principle should be plant-based. And if you look at one such diet, this is one that's very rich in vegetables and fruits, and you can see there's fish there also.
I see the colors, very colorful diet.
Yes.
Lots of bright, vibrant colors in all the veggies and fruits there.